Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about basically, how to promote adult offers with Facebook ads. Okay. Facebook ads is the most targeted platform you could possibly do out there. And you can absolutely promote offers like this, offers like this, offers like this, like crazy. Okay. And it works insanely well. Okay. This stuff can have the power to make you a lot of money. Let's just put it that way. Okay, and build a full-time business and a huge email list and everything that you want. Okay, right now I'm 11 days into the month. That's $25,000 right there. 11 days into the month again, that's $41,000 right there. That's all free traffic. This is paid traffic at about 3 to 4x ROI. Okay, with adult traffic, just adult traffic. Okay. Maxbounty has adult offers as well, but I'm not doing adult offers there. I'm just doing mainly sweepstake offers, some pay per sale offers, biz op offers, and survey offers. Okay. Now, I will show you some adult offers on here in a minute, but we're going to use Facebook. And I'm not going to dive into the build your campaign because everyone knows how to do that, but I will give you tips about Facebook ads here about how to do it. Okay, so right off the bat, it's actually kind of good. It's just walking you through here. Okay, so I don't even run Facebook ads anymore. Okay, I used to in the past. Nowadays, I literally have like no time for anything other than the big income stuff, and I'm partnered with business partners on some very powerful stuff that takes up most of my time. Other than I want to grow this personal brand really big because networking with you guys is super powerful. Okay, but here we go. Right off the bat, you don't want to do brand awareness that they say here. You want to do conversions, okay? And I'll show you the funnel in a second. You want to do conversions on Facebook because you can optimize just for that conversion, and you don't want to optimize for clicks because those are people that are just curiosity clicks, just people similar to the people that click to your landing page. You don't want to ever do that ever. What you want to do is optimize for conversions and then eventually make a lookalike audience for those conversions. You want to have about 300 to 500 different conversions to have happened, okay, to be able to make a good lookalike audience, okay? And you want to do the 1% lookalike audience. But anyway, you can see other tutorials how to do that. That's not important. The strategy here is powerful, and adult offers, they make money, okay? And it's not just that. It's like if you build an email list, you could sell anything, okay? You could do sweepstakes. You can promote ClickBank offers, Digistore offers. Doesn't matter the offer, guys. You can make your own offers. At the end of the day, when you have attention, you got money. And email list is one of the best traffic sources in the world. But it comes down to how hot is the traffic you've acquired, okay? And they raise their hand and they're interested in whatever you have to offer, okay? And you'll see how to do this in just a second, okay? Now, optimize for conversions. You make your campaign first. So you make one campaign with the ads inside of it. You're all ready. Then you basically duplicate. Then inside of that campaign, you're going to make a bunch of other ads. You're going to basically duplicate the ads you have currently inside that campaign ad set. Okay, it's super easy. You're super smart. You totally understand this. Okay. Next, all you got to do is you basically duplicate your ad like 5 times. I don't recommend all the way up to 10. Okay, then you have 10 different split testing images. Then you go in, you edit each image. And I do recommend image ads. If you want to do video ads, you can. I recommend if you're going to do a video ad, basically make it inside the editor of Facebook, okay, because they'll approve it way easier. And then keep your images super simple and compliant, okay? The thing about Facebook ads, it doesn't come down to the image. The image can influence stuff decently. You just want to have happy, smiling people and stuff Facebook wants, which is just happy, smiling people, okay? The ad doesn't sell as much as the offer sells, okay? And at the end of the day, what really gets them to click is you're targeting the exact person. You're giving them something for free in exchange for their email, and their funnel begins there. Your click-through rate comes down to actually usually the text of what's being said. The image just grabs attention. They're going to see it no matter what, okay? Humans are smart. Humans have reached a high level of adaptation up to this point in evolution. So we're totally able to pick up on what's being shown to us in an instant and know if we want it. And you're able to target that down to the finite, exact people interested in what you're offering, okay? To keep it somewhat simple. Now, here's the thing, guys. You duplicate 5 times. You have different images. You're split testing. Super happy, joyful, bright, good congruent images, okay? Your text is the same across the board on each ad. You're basically saying, you're gonna get this free thing, okay? Get this free thing, etc., okay? and you're giving something free in exchange for their emails in your funnel, okay? And what's happening, how you're able to do adult, is in the back end, you've got all these adult offers. I'll show you the funnel in a second. And then after you have all your images, now that's in place, you duplicate your ad set about 5 times. You could do a little bit more than that to see, and then they're duplicated. All you want to do now is just run it for a few days. You're going to see which ad sets and ads doing the best. You can pause whichever ones are not doing best. And then you're going to grow that lookalike audience for conversions, okay? And then you make a new lookalike campaign with your best ads, 2 ads, not just one. You could just do your 2 best ads, and then exactly just the lookalike audience of the people. And now you can grow, build the email list. You're literally getting emails for an exact cost per email. That could equate to maybe $3 per email, maybe $2 per email, maybe less. And it gets pretty crazy, okay? And here's the thing, you're going to get a lot of emails because it's free, okay? So like I said, you're going to get easily approved. You're going to not have a hard time getting approved, okay? Facebook is strict no matter what. Like, don't ban an account for no reason, okay? So if you need to work with an agency to do this, to have them run ads for you and worry about that side of the thing, you can go have an agency do that for you. I don't have the time to run Facebook ads for people. I help people set up their campaigns, whole entire done for you process, and then they literally get educated super easily on how to run the ads. It's not that hard, and you can absolutely do it. It's crazy, crazy powerful to be able to be skillful in your own way, but acquiring that knowledge is the first step. Okay, here we are. This is Facebook, guys. Okay, so Facebook ads running to the opt-in page. Right here, all you're going to have is the headline. Get this for free. So basically, you could give away a compilation of YouTube videos that are very good inside like the dating niche, since this is dating offer related. But look at this. If you actually look into it deep and look at some of the biggest adult niche and relationship niche campaigns ever, they literally appeal to how to talk to a girl, what to say to a girl, how to turn on a girl instantly in 2 seconds, okay, things like that. So you're going to give away info products in exchange for their emails, and that works across the board, okay? You could even give bonuses of how to lose weight fast and how to make money, or some way to make money. I don't know if you want to do it real estate related or anything like that. I just recommend stick with the niche, and that's it, okay? If you want to branch out, give the bonuses on the inside. Don't tell them on the front end that you're going to give them all those bonuses of those things. Okay. Over-delivering is powerful. And this funnel work. Okay, here we are. So basically, you want to look at all the offers you have at your disposal. Now, if you look here, the highest DPC offers are right there. You can go on any network, guys, and have tons of offers to promote. And the thing is, top converting offers work across the board, okay? Most affiliate marketers ain't going to tell you that, but I'm telling you right now, that comes from advanced experience to know psychology and humans and people. People will convert on offers just across the board, man. If they're high converting offers. If they're sucky offers, they won't convert that well. Okay, so these are really high converting offers. I recommend these, and I recommend these up here. Okay, this can absolutely work with this strategy 100%, no problem. Now, here's the thing. We're over on Maxbounty. Let's go over to search and literally search by EPC again. Okay, just to explain, like, you can promote all these right here and absolutely crush it. This one right here looks like a male enhancement offer. This is a dating offer right there, freaking match seniors, all this stuff, okay? It can work. I wouldn't go as niche as the seniors one because some people who opt in your list won't be seniors. But on the front end of your whole entire funnel, you can target on Facebook exact people you're looking for. So you could just target males 20 to 60, or you could just target males 50 to 60. Like, it's your choice, okay? Now, easily converting offers is definitely sweepstakes, but in general, once again, across the board, these are top converting offers based off their EPCs. But these are not. These are new. Okay, I didn't look. I wasn't very observant there. These ones are the top ones. Okay, so there you go. Those other ones are new offers. New offer, they can work and stuff like this, but in general, the highest EPC offers. Okay, so these are all the highest EPC offers right here. Magnum, XT, Keto Advanced, Bitcoin. Use common sense here. I wouldn't promote the Bitcoin ones as much. Plus, some of these are 4 different countries. So definitely, here's how I do it, guys. I'll go through the list, okay, of all the offers for whatever campaign I'm doing. And if I'm doing a campaign like this, that I want a lot of you guys